Welcome. If your Telegram groups are constantly buzzing and interrupting your day, there's a simple way to stay updated without the noise. In this quick guide, you'll learn how to set your group notifications to vibrate only when your phone is on silent. It's a small tweak, but it makes a big difference in keeping things calm and controlled. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your phone. Once you're in, look for the menu icon. Depending on your device, this could be the 3 lines in the top corner or your profile icon. Tap on it to open the main menu. Next, go to Settings. This is where all your customization options live, including notifications. Inside Settings, tap on Notifications and Sounds. This section lets you manage how Telegram alerts you for messages, calls, and group activity. Now find and tap on Groups. Since we're focusing on group chats, this is where you'll adjust those specific settings. Once you're in the group section, scroll a little and tap on More Options. This will open additional controls that aren't visible in the main view. From here, tap on Vibrate. You'll see several vibration options available, depending on how you want your phone to behave. Select Only on Silent. This setting ensures that your phone will only vibrate for group messages when your device is set to silent mode. When your phone is not on silent, you won't get vibration alerts from group chats at all. And that's it. You've now customized your Telegram notifications to be less intrusive while still staying informed when it matters. This is especially useful if you're in multiple active groups and want to avoid constant distractions during work or downtime. Try it out and see how much quieter your day becomes while still keeping you connected.